Happy New Year's and welcome to 2018. I wanted to take this opportunity to create 6 New Year's resolutions that you can follow to get better hearing in this new year. Coming up. Hi guys, I'm Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Anthem, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing-related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, consider hitting the subscribe button. 2017 is in the books and we've seen some amazing advancements in the hearing care industry. Everything from more hearing aid options online to manufacturers' push to make their hearing devices even smaller and make them rechargeable. We've also seen some research come out that really strenuously indicates that we should be treating our hearing loss sooner rather than later. There is no better time to take advantage of these advancements than we are right now going into 2018. That's why I created a list of 6 different resolutions that you can use to get better hearing in the new year. Resolution number 1, get your hearing tested. If you haven't had your hearing tested in the last 5 years, you better get up tomorrow morning and schedule an appointment to get that done. Now, if you know that you have a confirmed hearing loss, if you haven't had your hearing tested in the last year, you really are behind the curve. Times are changing and hearing loss is no longer taboo. In fact, you're only looked at differently if you have a hearing loss and you choose not to do anything about it. Everyone knows that hearing aids are better than ever. So when you choose not to treat your hearing loss, people start to question your decision-making abilities. At least get out there, get your hearing tested, and find out what your options are. Resolution number 2, upgrade your hearing aids. If your hearing aids are over 5 years old, there is a really good chance that the new technology on the market right now will help you hear better than what you currently are. And like I mentioned before, there are a bunch of new hearing aid technologies out there, anything from invisible hearing aids to hearing aids that perform better in background noise to hearing aids that are actually rechargeable now. If you haven't been out there or been keeping up to date with the new technological advancements, there's a chance that you're not hearing as well as you could. Resolution number 3 is to try an assistive listening device. An assistive listening device or accessory is the best way to improve the performance of the hearing aids that you currently have. They have a bunch of different types of these assistive listening devices, anything from a TV streamer to a telephone streamer to a remote microphone. You see, all 3 of these items will help you hear significantly better because you can stream sound directly from your TV, directly from your phone, or directly from the mouth of the person that you're in a noisy environment with, and they all help you hear substantially better. Getting a good accessory is the cheapest way to get better hearing, and I highly suggest you go out and you try a few. Resolution number 4 is to train your brain using auditory rehabilitation. Still think hearing aids are the only way to improve your hearing? Think again. Research actually indicates that doing auditory rehabilitation will help you hear better with your hearing aids. You see, hearing aids get the sound to the brain, but what your brain does with it is on its own. So if you can do some rehabilitation to help your brain process that sound better, you're going to hear better. I suggest checking out lacelistening.com and clearworksforears.com. Both of them have easy training modules and games in order to help your brain hear better. Resolution number 5 is to get your hearing aids cleaned. If you haven't had your hearing aids cleaned within the last 6 months, there's a chance that your hearing aids aren't performing the way that they should be. What you should do is you should go back to the place that you got your hearing aids and have them professionally cleaned and maintained. Once you do that, while you're there, also get a dry and store kit so you can keep those hearing aids functioning properly for as long as possible. And resolution number 6 for 2018 is to get your hearing aids reprogrammed. If your hearing has changed, so has your prescription. If this is the case, then getting your hearing aids reprogrammed will have a dramatic impact on how well that you hear. Now, if you don't know what real ear measures are, I'm going to go ahead and link it up here and in the description below. Do yourself a favor and watch the video. I believe that real ear measures are the single most important factor when having your hearing aids programmed to give you the maximum benefit from those aids. Welcome to 2018. You are living in the greatest era to have a hearing loss in human history. Never before have we had more options to treat your hearing loss than we do right now. Never before have hearing aids been more accessible. Never before have they worked as well as they do right now. And all you have to do is commit to making 2018 the best hearing year of your life. That's it for this video. What will your resolution be? Go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Happy New Year!